Good morning, everyone. And my discussion today is all about LGBT. What is LGBT? LGBT stands for lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender. Pareha ni Yora, transgender. Ambot lamang siya. And along with the heterosexual, they are terms used to describe people's sexual orientation and gender identity. So, ang LGBT nag-exist because people have differences in their sexual orientation and gender identity. First is lesbian. So, may examples sa lesbian. Lesbian is a woman. A lesbian woman is one who is romantically or sexually, emotionally attracted to women. So, many lesbians prefer to be called lesbian rather than gay. So, dagay lesbian diri sa kalibutan. Ang lesbian is katong women na attracted siya sexually or emotionally sa women sub. Same ni siya og gender. Mas prefer nila tawagon og lesbian kaysa sa gay. Because lesbian is more specific. Next is gay. Diana si Yora, sila Jai, nga na gay. So, gay man is one who is romantically, sexually, and or emotionally attracted to men. The word gay can be used to refer generally to lesbian, gay, and bisexual people, but many women prefer to be called lesbian. Most gay people don't like to be referred to as homosexual because of the negative historical associations with the word. And because word gay better reflects their identity. So, kaning gay is a general ni siya. It could be a lesbian, it could be a bisexual. Tapos, many lesbians dili sila ganahan og called a gay. But, daan sa mga gay nga mas prefer nila tawagon og gay kaysa sa homosexual kay because of the negative historical associations ana nga word. Next is the bisexual. Example, Kayubit, nasa katapan. Hingkatawa si Kayubit. A bisexual. A bisexual person is someone who is romantically, sexually, and or emotionally attracted to people of genders, both the same and different to their own. So, kaning mga bisexual, pwede na sila maka-attract na sila emotionally and sexually sa men, pwede sa women. It could be in their different gender or the opposite. Next is the transgender or trans. Ang transgender na to example, si Bolo. Ang transgender, an umbrella term used to describe people whose gender identity, internally feeling of being male, female, or non-binary, and or gender expression differs from the gender they were assigned at birth. Parehang Yora. Di siya masugot og tawagon og junior. Kay sa ija, gusto niya babae kasi siya na-feel. Bisan pa og laki na siya, gusto niya po niya juniora. Di siya junior. So not everyone whose appearance or behavior is gender atypical will identify as a transgender person. Kaya basically, ang transgender ka dyan, you identify yourself as a woman, bisan pa og laki ka na nagsuot-suot ka og ganun pambahay nga na expression. Bisag na si Jay Utin nga na, bisag junior si Ja, Felipe Junior. Gusto gyapon ni Ja nga guwapa kanang Yora, mga pambabae, ganun. Sila ang mga trans. Next is a recap to the gender identity. It is one's gender identity refers to whether one feels male, female, or non-binary regardless of one's biological sex. Gender expression refers to outwardly expressing one's gender identity. Ang gender identity, regardless of your gender, either you're a male, female, non-binary, basta kay imo gusto nimo nga ma-identify yourself as male, female, amo na sa gender identity. That is your identity. Pero ang gender expression is how you express your gender identity. For example, si Yura ga-identify ni siya as transgender. So, ang ija gina-express niya ang pagiging transgender niya through wearing mga crop top nga nag-away sila muna tapos nag-long hair nga na it's how you express your gender identity. So gender reassignment is also called transitioning, mao na ni. It is the process of changing the way someone's gender is lived publicly and can be a complex process. Next is the coming out, and I think very complex and when talking about gender identity or gender expression, because coming out is the term used by lesbian, gay, and bisexual and transgender people and the wider queer community to describe their experience of discovery, self-acceptance, openness, and honesty about their LGBT identity and their decision to disclose, to share this with others when and how they choose. So coming out is just sharing your experience of how you become a lesbian and how do you accept, di ba nga na? So it is your way of expressing or sharing your own story. Oh, kay Yubet, I have a question kay Yubet. Nakatry na ka nga mag-come out sa imong identity nga na, like, i-share niyo yung story nga nung nabakla ka nga na. So nagtago-tago ra ka. Sexual orientation. So sexual orientation refers to an enduring pattern of emotional, romantic, and or sexual attractions to men and women or multiple genders. Sexual orientation also refers to a person's sense of identity based on those attractions, related behaviors, and membership in a community of others who share those attractions. Homophobia. Ano naman ang mga homophobia? Homophobia refers to fear of or prejudice and discrimination against lesbian, gay, and bisexual people. Transphobia. Transphobia refers to fear or of prejudice and discriminations against people who are transgender or who are perceived to transgress norms of gender, gender identity, or gender expression. Parang yura no. Biphobia. Napali biphobia. Refers to the intolerance, hatred, or erasure of bisexual people. The term describes an aversion to bisexuality or any non-monosexual.